2026 warning. Stop scrolling because what's coming in 2026 could shake your wallet. AI is replacing jobs, markets are unpredictable, and even gold and silver are moving wildly. If you don't understand how money will work in 2026, you could lose opportunities that others grab. Stay till the end. The bonus tip could be the one thing that protects your income this year. Job and AI reality. Layoffs are real. From tech to startups, thousands are losing jobs. But here's what most people miss. AI isn't killing jobs, it's killing old skills. People who learn to work with AI, not against it, will earn more, not less. In 2026, the safest job is not in an office, it's in your skills. Gold and Silver 2026 prediction. Now, the big question, what about gold and silver? Currently, gold in India is around 12,000 rupee per gram and silver is about 152 rupee per gram. Experts expect gold could rise to around 14,500 rupee per gram by 2026, that's nearly a 20% increase. Silver might reach 180 rupee per gram, showing about 15–18% growth. Why? Because inflation, global tension, and unstable markets push investors toward safety. So yes, gold will shine, but remember, it's a shield, not your engine for growth. Smart investing and AI tools. Finance is going fully digital. AI bots already analyze markets, manage portfolios, and even suggest where to invest. In 2026, smart investors will use AI dashboards instead of random tips. If you ignore these tools, you'll fall behind fast. Business and opportunity. Layoffs mean one thing: the rise of small AI-powered businesses. Freelancing, digital finance, agri-tech, and online education are booming. You don't need a huge idea, just start small, automate smartly, and scale. Bonus tip. Here's your bonus tip: learn AI tools, data analytics, financial planning, and personal branding. These skills can protect your income and multiply your growth in 2026. Which one will you start with? Comment below why, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FinXplore, where we help you stay ahead in the world of money and AI.